All right, so we're going to go through the placement and edits of the relief well civil cell. You can see the DGN line that's in there. And then basically I just got a little linear template that I play, or corridor that I place, just a ditch here. Now let's just go through the prompts. So ditch top right profile, ditch bottom right profile, ditch bottom left profile, which is going to be this. Now if you had a V, a V ditch instead of this flat bottom, you probably could choose the ditch top left. I think I don't think that would be an issue, but I'm going to just go with this. You may have to fool with the riprap if you did that, but. And then data point for relief all location. It's a good chance if I was really doing this on a live project, I may put a point here, but I think I'm going to just data point where I want it. So we'll do a data point here. And then that geometry looks good. You can see those direction of arrows. We'll reset, select corridor to be clipped, reset, and accept. Alright, this is what we get. So we need to do, you go to corridor next and define target aliasing. And I do believe this ditch is called, name of it for F2. Not a great name, but well, let's change that to ditch. So we'll change that name to ditch. Alright, and then we're going to define target aliasing, and we'll choose this linear template here. Alright, then we're going to go find the ditch corridor. And then we're going to also add the existing terrain. And then we'll hit apply and close. And you can see that ditch well here. Basically we've got a flat surface here, and then we just 3-to-1 right there. Alright, we'll go over the edits next. Alright, as far as edits, you can see it's 1 foot offset there, so you could move the whole thing by, so if I wanted to go 1.5 or 2, alright, that should push the whole thing out. Won't change that back, or just do an undo. And then this, we've got 2 foot offset here, and really that's just the, I think the standard drawing says anywhere from 1.5 feet to 3.2 there, I think is what that particular element is. Actually, that's 2 foot is dead on. What's actually a little bit different is variable is this one, I think right here, which is 1 foot. It says 1.5 to 3.2 feet, so that may be something I change in the cell. And then this is 2 feet from that to the center. And then if we grab this element, not the linear template, but the actual element called bench, you can see that radius of 8. That's actually controlled by, I do believe, this element here. Right, these 2 elements there. I really thought that was a complex. I'm a little unsure why that's not complex right there. I'll change that to 10. See what that does. I could change this to 10. This other side here to 10. Alright, again, I'm going to undo that because that's really kind of what, obviously that's controlling this radius back here as well. Profile, basically, I think what we're doing, if we grab this element here, You can see we're going up on a 3-to-1 slope, so you could actually change that if you wanted. And then really from there, it's just a flat surface, I think, all the way around. I can't remember exactly how I profiled all that. Probably here, maybe a 0% slope there, which let me just data point between there and there to place that line. And then basically flat all the way around there. As far as templates, there is really just one template here. And it's just a, see it right there. And you see it's just a 3-to-1 slope there. Alright, the one last edit would be the this element there, this riprap area here. And so you could change that, right, if you wanted to move this riprap in or out there. Sitting there trying to, I don't know exactly how that thing is. So it's that element there, and it looks like we probably have a partial offset there and there. That's how that terrain is created there. Really, those three, really 4 elements maybe. Yeah, there's another one right there. So that element, and then these partials right here. That's how that terrain model is created there. Alright, so that's a quick summary of the relief well there.